Y'all, so in this video I'm going to be showing y'all a new budgeting wallet that I ordered off of Amazon. So I thought some of y'all might want to see what you get when you order one of these wallets and the quality. um, it's not like a name brand. I can't even pronounce the name, but I will show y'all the brand and I'll show you what comes with it. It comes with like the budgeting envelopes, comes with a pen and different things. Really neat little system. And if you want to see an example of how you can use this system, just leave me a comment below and we can do that for another video. So here is the package that the wallet came in. On the very bottom of the package, that would be the name that you would punch into the search bar on Amazon. And then here is the wallet and all of the items that came with it. So the first one is like a planner, and it also has for you to do your budget. And I believe this will have the year 2023 on the other side. It has the dividers so you can label. And then here are the envelopes, which look really cute, and the how to use. I'll just pause this and take things out of the package so I'm not crinkling it in your ears. And there's also the pen that came with it. Okay, so I will just show y'all these items that came with it first. So this was all in a stack together. I kind of separated it so you could see what all is in the planner part. So it does have the calendar for last year. I'm going to see if I can get this to focus a little better. It's not going to focus well for me, but you get the idea. And then on this side is the year 2023. On these, it is organized by month and year and then the days of the week. And that's what this whole stack is right here. And so the middle portion is organized by monthly calendar, and that's what this whole stack is. And so this portion, the little punch outs are coming out. So this whole portion is the budgeting part, and it just has the area for your income, savings. Down at the bottom, bill total leftover, bills and expenses there in the middle, and then budget and actual. Here we have planned and actual. I'm not sure if it's focusing, so that's why I'm trying to include what it says verbally. Okay, and then that's that area. And some people may choose not to use this. I have another notebook that I keep up with all of that in, so I probably won't keep that portion in my wallet. What I really am going to be using the wallet for is the cash envelopes. Okay, so and then these little folders are just there to divide the papers that I just showed you. It has the dividers, I'm sorry, I may have called them folders, and labels, little ruler, kind of flexible, more dividers. I think there was a total of 5 dividers. Okay, and then here just explains how you can use your budgeting cash wallet. Budgeting sheets. And then here are the super cute little envelopes that come with it. Month, budget, annual, and then all the months of the year. I'm kind of being OCD about how I'm laying these. And you get the idea. There's a good little stack of these. I think they're super cute. I should add, they're like much thicker than like a paper envelope. And they're really smooth. I like that one. So as you can see, there's several of those. You can have a lot of categories, a lot of sinking funds. If you keep like your grocery money in your wallet, gift money, miscellaneous, stuff for your pets, you know, just whatever you want to keep in your wallet. And now we'll look inside the actual wallet. Okay, so it has this front pouch, which I feel like most phones would probably fit in. My son's reading a book. I hear him laughing in there. There's what the zipper looks like. And then the other side is just plain. There is, I did notice right here, if you want to put like a wrist strap through there, I believe it came with a wrist strap. Okay, so I went ahead and unzipped it. I needed both hands to do that. The zipper, I feel like the zipper is not the best quality zipper that I've ever used. It kind of wasn't like a smooth zip, if that makes sense. And so on the inside, it has this compartment here, has plenty of places for cards, another pocket right there for your pen that came with it, 2 clear pouches, and then also like a change compartment right here. I feel like that zipper wasn't doing exactly right. It does seem to be working though. It just seemed like for a minute it wasn't doing just right. So 2 clear pouches. Here is the little strap that you can use right here. And so here is where you would just put, if you just wanted to use your envelopes, just put your cash envelopes. If you wanted your planner or both, you can use both. I should note that this wallet is pretty large. It's much larger than the one that I've been using that came from Walmart. And it has a couple more slots right here. And then more places for cards. And then one more pocket right there. And I feel like those would probably stretch out a little bit. I'm just thinking, I think probably right there would be the best spot for like a checkbook. I was trying to think, where do you put the checkbook? But I think probably right there. You know, that back part of your checkbook, and then leave the front. I don't know, but then that would like kind of leave it. I would think that you would need to write this way when you're, you know, writing your check, but it would have to be that you were writing your check this way. So that might be kind of awkward on top of your envelopes and planner. But overall, I think this is pretty neat for the price. I think it was like, I hadn't even mentioned that, but I think it was probably under $30. I'll leave the info below in the description area. I like the color. They had a lot of different colors. This was my favorite. I'm usually kind of like plain Jane type taste of things, browns, blacks, but the blue just kind of stuck out to me, so I was like, we'll do the blue. Anyway, guys, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Sorry about my rambling. I'll be better organized for the next video. You guys have a good day, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like or subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.